Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to resample a data or a time series over time. So how means here resampling means if you have any data, 1 year data, 2 year data, daily data you have, then how to resample into weekly means what will be the value for a 1 week, or if you want to resample into 10 daily. So how it will come means in a 10-day value. What will be the 10-day value? Whether it will be mean or maximum or total, whatever. So it depends on the data. What you are doing means you are taking total or mean, because in the case of here I am using water level data, which is a hydrological data. So water data means we can take whether we take average or we take maximum or minimum. So so as a sample, I'm downloading data from India Water Resources Information System, WARIS. So this is the address of this indiawaris.gov.in. So I will go to data download. I already downloaded, but I'm just showing you. So time series data subset. Here you can see river water level, data category hydrological, basin. I have here a lot of basins are here. So I am using Narmada. Tributary is Narmada only. So go to Narmada, and local river Narmada only. Agency CWC. Mode of acquisition manual. So I have taken only 1 year data. You can take lot of, other data also, longer term data. So January, 1st January to here. So December, 1 year data. So you can you can select the station also, because in Narmada basin there are a lot of water level stations, means monitoring stations. So I'm taking Sandia only. So you can take other data sets also. So accordingly you can download the data, right? So you download. Once you download, I have already downloaded. So it will come like this, right? So it will come this way. So you can see we have two tab here: metadata means information about this data, and river water level. So this sheet gives you the information: what is the station code, and what is station name, type, and district, whatever, means all the information, and also giving the latitude, longitude, so that you can plot this latitude, longitude in a GIS form also, which I have shown you in a separate video, that how to create convert this latitude, longitude if you have data in Excel into GIS format. So I will share this into the link, or you can check in my channel. And another data set is this one, means the actual time series. We have data type, data time, description, data time, data value, and unit. So we have other unnecessary tabs are there which we don't need in my thing. We need to delete this thing. And also, if you go down, you can see here also there are some. So you can delete these rows also, because we need some initial cleaning in the actual data. So if you do this, then it will easy for us to file the coding, because we are using the Python library, right? So so I have done that also. So this is my data after manual corrections. So it is data type, everything is same, is similar here, and data time, data value, and unit. So I have basically what we need. I need this data time, means this date and time and value. This is the most important thing for me. But these are also important, because if you see, we have data type. We have two types of data. If you filter here, go to filter, then you can see we have two type of data type: HHS and HST, right? So since you remember, I have downloaded it for manually. For what happened is, it is down. It is because the portal is like that only. It downloaded both. If you see here, we have to insert WL by telemetry or manual. So both the data is available here, right? So So it means it downloaded both the telemetry online and this manual also. But so it all depends whether you have to do it's a data whether you want to do manual or you want to do the telemetry. So we will do the both so that you will have better idea. So this is the thing. So now I am closing it. So let's start. What how will do? You'll do the anaconda prompt and we'll go to let's see the Honda Activate CLSP1. I'm using this only in every video. I am using this environment and how to create it. Please see into my go to my early my first video, right? So where I have created this. So I will go to this here, data, right? And this is my folder. I'm just giving the folder path, right? And launch the Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. I can tell you this is very important topic. I'm, I'm, I'm preparing today because the people who are working in projects and uh, everywhere in the project or in data analysis or or doing research, this is a very useful because everything is data. So you people are using large set of data, how to resample it. This is very useful. Once you do it, then every time you will not take much time because in Excel, otherwise you need to be uh, very efficient in Excel. I'm not saying that you cannot do this thing in Excel, but it's a very efficient thing, and you can launch into the web in future, right? So go to Python. So first I will import library, import pandas, std, run it, and then read the file. I will. It's a data frame df equal to pd dot read underscore csv because I have created that file into CSV. Actually, initially it has downloaded Excel, so then I have saved that file into CSV. So like actually this one I can show you, right? It was in Excel. Excel. This is these are both the tabs, but we require this one. So what I did is I just save copy this one and then I'm just showing you how I did it so that if any beginners or when whosoever started, then he will not have any problem, right? So go to here and then CSV UTF-5, this one, right? Save. So it will ask the selected file type does not support water. You just okay, right? So you just then two tab you have to delete one tab because the CSV works on only one tab. So this is you can save it. This one, right? Please try it yourself. Don't you should not have any confusion here. So what I will do is I have file name is WLSANDIA India dot CSV, right? You can do single quote also and pass dates equal to date time data. Basically, it is showing that what is the this one data time. Basically, the date time, the date column name is data time, okay, right? So running. So it is giving problem. What is the PR past dates data time, right? df equal to pd dot hl SAMD dot CSV. Syntax error, something I have written wrong. PROC parts, it's equal to data time. Okay, I did not close it. Yeah, you can see very simple thing we have df dot add. So you can see, so we have same data we have shown here, like data type, code data type, description data type, data value, whatever, right? So before doing the resampling, I'm showing you how few things which every time you need to do in your data, and it is a good practice, and slowly you will become expert on this. So what is this? Unique value, unique values in data type code, data type code means I showed you in Excel, but how to show here? Let's do it. So unique type code, unique type, whatever you can write. Unique type code equal to where? Data frame. Which one? We have data type code dot unique. Unique. Run it. It works, right? What are those? We need to print that. So we print. We'll just copy this one and paste here. This one and this. Unique this, right? And yeah, run it. So what we have? We have data type code HSS and HST. Similarly, we will do it for, we just copy here and paste here for this one. This one called description. This one data type description. So I unique type description and this one data type. Copy this one because it's a we need to type exactly right. This one and this data type code, data type description, P and unique DSC, which is right here, DSC. Yeah, you can see, so we have two types, manual WL by staff gauge and inside WL by telemetry. Similar thing I have showed you in the Excel. So you can see here, you can do very easily. You can see in front of you. This is the advantage of this, right? So now we need how much values are there means a count means what are the we can count those unique value also, right? So how to do print df what data type code, right? Dot value counts. Yeah, some issue something it is. Oh, then I have to close it. I always, so you can see, so we have data type means for HSC we have this much of values. For HSS we have this much of value, right? And data type is integer 64. So this is similarly you can do it for this one for data type description. Do it print df. You can see data type description, right? Dot value counts. Yeah, you can see same number is coming. So this is the basic thing you can do, and you can do other things also, but this is very important so that it always helps you. So it is just a general, general thing. Actually, you should know about the data, what is there in the data, so that it will help you while the further analysis, right? So now what we will do is convert date time and extract the date, right? So this is very important. What we will do is convert to date time. Sometime it doesn't happen in your data. And extract date. We need date actually. We are extracting the date because you can see here because we have data, we have date and time both in one column. So we need only date in our column. So how to do that? So df we have data time, right? First we will convert into date time. pd dot to date time. df and the data time. Load it. Worked? Yes, it worked. Then df we are putting one more column called date. Date equal to df where data time. It will take time date from this column. Data time dot dt dot date. It's a Python thing, right? Pandas thing. And then df. So we can see we have a date column here. So actually what happened is why does dt dot date mean? Means dot dt is a date time accessor actually that allow you to extract components of a date type column like year, month or day, hour. It's extracting these things. And the dot date extract just the date part means we need date part. So that's why without the time. That's why we have date. So dot date gives you this one, right? So why it is helpful? Because now all the reading taken on the same day have the same date value. So which make it easy to group. Basically, one will group by date, ignoring time to compute. Actually, it will help us in computations. To to calculate the average, maximum, and minimum, and it will help us into to prepare a time series as well, right? So a lot of benefit out of it. So this is we can see. So now how to actually this tutorial is very useful. I can do take it seriously and do practice by yourself, right? You can do it in a better way also. I because since I know this one, so I have prepared this one. So I'm using this, so it is very useful for everyone, right? So how what I will do next is group by date, right? And data type, because we have this data type to get daily averages. So why we are doing this? Since I can, if you see here, we have three value in 1/1/2024. We have three values in 1st January, or similarly for others also. Because you can see here, if you see the 10 values, first 10 values, it is just sample data. So you can see in second also we have three values. In three values, somewhere maybe two value, because so like it's in the 8 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 6 in the evening. So water level taken in three times in a day, right? So what we need is whether how to we need daily time series data. So whether you take the average of all the time series, or all the three, or you take the maximum, or you take the minimum. So here we are using average, right? So how we'll do? So daily average. First we will do the daily average equal to df dot group by which. So we will take date. We have new column called date, comma, data type code. We have data type code also, right? I will this one. And what we need is finally data value. Then what we are doing is mean and reset the index. Reset index there. index. Run it, it worked. It means so no error means it worked. So daily, some error. What date? No issue. We will run it again. And now it will make the column. Sometimes it gives the column, right? Okay. I think we will write here. Date, data type code, and the data value. Alright. Nobody will close it or not? Yes, data value dot mean or visit index. Yeah, it is working. So now daily, sometime it gives the problem. We have to run it again, right? And rename. So we are renaming the columns. Which columns? Columns equal to like the list data value. What we are putting the name is daily average value. Daily average value, right? Okay. And in place equal to true. Run it. So some error. Data average dot name. Okay. We have to put this bracket. So because since it's a list, so yeah. So right. So if you run it, now it will work, right? So you can see daily averages and you can see how it looks like. Daily average AVG dot head 10 or 5. Yeah. Okay. So we have now date column, data type code, and daily average value. So now we have one value for you can see 1/1/22/2004 for one value for HSS code. Otherwise, what happen is here for HSS code, HHS 3 values in one day, right? So since we have HSS, HST also, so it is for one value for HSS and for same date for HST one value second similarly. So we wanted this, right? So now what next then? So uh, we need to create we time series HSS. Now, if we need only HSS, then how to do? We are just so that to avoid the confusion. So daily average equal to daily. We have this. This is the new data frame. Now we have daily average and daily data type code. Data type code equal to HSS, right? Close it, run it. It worked, right? So you can convert that HSS only to CSV. This we have to export this file into. So what is that? Daily, daily HSS. Just you can put your name, whatever you want. Dot CSV and index equal to false. No? Run, right? So you can see this only HSS is, you know, daily HSS. You can see 4,000 now. So you just open. We have exported. Now we have date for HSS. We need this 1, 2, 3. We have this data, right? So you can plot this one, right? You can plot whole the this one in Excel also, right? Go to here and you can plot it. So you can see it is similar value to 299, 300 something. Only one here is one you can see it looks something different from this line, right? So it means there is some problem there. It may be some typo error or you have to check the value. You can see if you see here, it is a 361 point 361. Go to 361 to 361. This one 362 means every value is 299 point something. So this one is 224, right? So on that date, which is the date, I'm not doing anything here, but it's a 26th December, the value is 224. Or rest of the year, it is like, 299 point something or 300 something. But here, it is 224. It means it may be typo error. This needs to be checked. I'm not doing any cleaning here. So this is what I'm saying that this is one of the things you need to understand, right? So this is done for HSS. Similarly, you can do it for another. So you can plot this also. So how you will do PLT dot figure, right? You can see fixed size equal to 6, right? And PLT dot plot. This is the HSS only, right? So what we are plotting, one column date, right? Right. Then comma HSS only, and then do average value, right? And then this is marker. It is your choice whether you want to put it or not. Or marker size equal to 0.3 or 0.4, whatever line style. It all, it depends whether you want to do it or not. It's up to you. I'm just doing it. And I'm making my habit actually. That's the thing. And you can give a blue, right? And close it. Then go to, you just plot it. PLT dot so. Okay. We need to define this one. We did not, we have to decide this one here. We have to write we have to import the matplotlib actually. That's why it is not coming. So import matplotlib as, right? So you have to do that. Whether you have to you have to do in the beginning or you have to do later. So how we have to do that? Import matplotlib dot pyplot dot pyplot PLT. Now it will work, right? So you can see this one. So you can see you have date and this, right? So similarly, you can do by yourself, for HST, uh, right? This is I'm leave it to you, and you can also put here legends and everything, like PLT dot X level. What will be the X level? X level, what we need in x-axis, date, right? Similarly, PL2 dot Y level dot we need is daily value, daily VVT, right? Similarly, PL2 dot title, PL2 dot title, what we need is, we need here is your HSS daily, right? It's a manual, means in HSS means the manual daily data, whatever. So and a PLT dot, you can see the grid also. So true, right? And PLT dot height layout, this one, and run. So you can see it will be like that. You can change this. Similarly, you can do for HST. So I will do it HST for you, right? So then plotting you will do by yourself. So how HST only equal to daily average, daily average. Then what we need is data type code, right? For data type code, what we need HST, or run it. It's not complete input. Okay, right. So similarly, you can HST only dot to CSV. You can write here to do HST, right? Dot CSV. You can put your name, whatever you want. Index equal to false. Close it. So dot to CSV, right? So it also daily HST. You can see here. This is also we have done, right? You can plot this one also in Excel, right? Right, whatever. Right, you can see it will be like that. It looks better, right? So and this is the thing. But our objective of this video is what? You have to do the resampling. We are just talking about resampling. Similarly, you can plot whatever how I have plot this one. You can do for this way also. You can. What I will do, I will copy paste here from this one and here and here. I will take HST. So daily average we have data type here. I will write HS3, right? So it's we have already, so here HST only, T only, right? Like this. Let's see, HST. I have written something wrong somewhere. Meaning HST only is not defined. Oh yeah. So there also have written this one. Right, so you can see the data. So similarly, you can right. So our objective is to how to resample it. So now we are doing the resampling. So so similarly, again, I'm just duplicating the thing. Make sure date is first important thing is that your date should be in the date time format. So every time it's a good habit. Daily average means what is there? Date equal to PD dot to date time. Date time, right? So daily average What is the date? So this is important thing every time because then only it will sample. So set date as index. Now we will set so daily AVG index. Index is important. So how it will do daily do dot set index. Which one? The date, right? Yeah. So these two important things. So now we have to resample the based on the how means based on the date. So how we will do? So so let's do it here only the uh, so I will not do the daily date. I will do the this one HSS only one thing, right? So HSS only. So you can do this one also. I will see how it will come so that you will do by yourself the other things, right? So weekly average, how we'll do that? Then so so daily average, so weekly average, weekly weekly average equal to daily average index, right? Dot group by, right, data type code, and then daily average value, right? So dot resample, resample for weekly we write W, capital W, right? Dot mean, mean, and dot reset index, right? Run it. Means it keeps calling. Data type code. Okay. So for daily average, we need the daily data then. So what is daily average? You have daily average value. Here I have now you have to write this one daily average value, right? So daily average value, no, data type code. What is that? Data type code is same, right? Data type code is same. So we have to write daily. So daily average index not group by data type code and daily average value dot resample at index resample dot means what it is saying data type code. Let's do, yeah. So it worked, right? So sometime it happens, then you again run it so that it is always good to have, right? So so now we can see weekly average dot first 10. So you can see your data is in the which format? 7 daily. 7 14 means it's a give you the average of first 7 days. It's a 7. This one, then 7 to 14, then 14 to 21, 28, like this. So this was the our objective to show you how to do this, right? So so we have you can filter it for HSS and for HST also. So so this is the thing what I wanted to show you how we will do this one, right? So you can do plot by yourself also, right? So you can plot it and you can if you can just through CSV, if you can just export it to what, um, weekly, right, dot CSV, and index is false, right? So you can see this one also, weekly. Yeah, so you can see. Yeah, so we have 714, this one also. Yeah, you can plot this here also in Excel. You just plot it. Yeah, so this is like that. In the first few weeks it's the same data, then it is giving me the bigger one. So this is I think I have done here. So you can practice it how to plot it by yourself. It's a very uh, useful video, I can tell you. You practice it, you will use this kind of data many times, right? And it's a very useful, very useful. You can practice it by yourself. I request you, so that uh, it will help you in your process, in your project, or in your research. So you can filter your data. Uh, you can for HSS, and only you can export HSS, weekly HSS and weekly HST. Do it by yourself. If you are not able to do this, please let me know in the comment box, so that I can do it for you. Thank you very much.